Hey guys, it's Annie. Today I am going to talk about the Trophy Skin Microdermabrasion machine that I reviewed almost a year ago, I think, that I first tried it. And so I'm just updating my video a little bit. I just want to talk a little bit about it, update you guys on whether I still am using it, do I like it, and all that. So that is the video I'm going to share with you. I wanted to get this up sooner, but with the holidays and everything, it just got crazy. I've had to reshoot it a couple times. So anyways, that's what we're going to talk about. We're just going to get right into it. While I'm talking about this machine, you're going to see me demonstrating it too as I'm talking with you. So when you get the machine, it looks, looks like this. I'll show you the inside in a second. You have your adapter cord that you can take out, put back in. You open it up. And inside it has a nice little mirror. So if you were sitting at a vanity table or whatever, you could sit there and use the mirror and do this at home, which I really like. I don't use the mirror on this. I'm usually in the bathroom, standing in front of my big mirror in my bathroom, and that's where I do this. And then inside of it, so we're gonna take a little tour first, okay, before I show you how to use it. So inside, I'm gonna block this. Hopefully it's not going to glare too much. But inside you have all the tools that you need here, and I will take this out. We'll talk about that. And then here are all the little, you have your power, your auto, your start stop, your level indicator that goes up and down here. And once you turn it on, you'll see it. And again, you will see a little demo of me turning it on so you see what it looks like. And then you get your, I don't know what you'd call this, like the wand part of it. It's pretty long. So it's a nice long wand. And then you get the silver diamond head attachment here. And this is what is going to be exfoliating your skin. So I'll kind of show a little bit of that close up, but you should see that. I think I'm showing that in the other part of the video. And this can come off, so you can clean it. And what I do, and what was recommended by the company, is to use a silver jewelry cleaner. I have hair on it. I just got it at Target. That's what I use to clean mine when it starts to look kind of dull and it looks like I need to clean mine. So this is kind of gross, but I'm going to show you anyways. This is what mine looks like right now, so I have to clean it. And you can see some of the gross dry skin on there. So what I'll have to do, I'm not going to do this because I'm sitting at my table here. I will take that little black part off that was in there. You'll get replacements for it in here. And we have a whole bunch. So I'll take that off and then I'll put that on here. Let me show you. I'm not going to do it because it's going to be a gross mess. But this comes off right there. And then you can replace it with one of these. And then you also have these little bands here that I will show you. Teeny little bands. I haven't had to replace any of them, but those are for right here. So if they get worn off from taking it on and off, you have replacements for that. You also have an attachment that you can put on here. And here, I'll put it on. So you can use this one for serums. I still have never used that. So you can put serums on your face, you can put that, and it's supposed to help your serums absorb more on your skin. I use a quartz roller for that instead, but you can use that. And then you also have an extractor for blackheads, or I use it for whiteheads on my chin. So you just put that on there. When you turn it on, you just go to town and you'll see it. It is really gross. So what I do to clean this is I will take my antibacterial soap, I will put it on here, and then I will stick it inside of this. And then I will clean it out really, really good, rinse it out, spray it with alcohol, and it's good to go. So now you know a little bit about that. Let's talk about how to use this. Now, when you first get this machine, they have a demo on here, which I really like. So that is what the auto is on there. And it's automatically set up to use on your forehead, use on your cheeks. It'll tell you specifically where to use it on your face. And when I first got this, that's what I was doing. is I was using that to help guide me, but now I kind of do my own thing. I don't really want to tell you what I do because I want you, I really think you need to figure that out, what you want to do as far as the levels. But the higher the number, the more suction you're going to get. So you don't want to stretch your skin too much either. So that's up to you, the pressure that you want. But I would say be careful. I think you can use a little bit more pressure on your forehead because it's mostly bony up there. You know, you don't have a lot of loose skin up there. But where you have loose skin, you kind of want to watch. But what I do too when I'm doing it, and you'll see me in the video, I'm going to look kind of goofy, is as I'm doing it, I'm kind of like that, and I'm stretching my face. I'm not going like this because it would really pull my face. So I kind of open my mouth and when I'm getting my chin in certain areas on my face. So it doesn't really matter where you start. When you do it automatically, I think it starts at your forehead. And it shows that you go up like this. I can't do that. I usually, on my forehead, I go this way, and this way I will glide it across. And like I said, you'll see me in the video. You can go like that. And then here I will go like this, and I go up. I don't go under my eyes. You do never, ever, ever want to use this right under your eyes. You never want to use it by your eyes. You can go underneath the skin here, but you don't want to pull anything by your eyes there. And then I use it on my nose. I even use it where my scar is, my chin, all on my face. I use Retin-A, so that is one of the reasons I like to use this too, but some people don't like to use Retin-A, so this is a nice alternative too. If you can't use it, you can use something like this. If you're someone that doesn't like to use granule exfoliants, this is really good. I normally do not like using those, but I just discovered Exfoliate, and that's what I've been using that too. I do different things to exfoliate my skin to get the dead skins off. You don't want to overdo it either because then your skin can get really messed up and over dry and peely from overdoing it. So you don't want to do that either. So I don't use this as much as I did because I'm doing other things as well to exfoliate my skin. So I am just doing this I kind of really watch my skin. Once every other week to once every 4 weeks is what I'm using this now. But you really have to decide what you need for your skin, but you definitely don't want to do it more than once a week for sure. You don't want to do it more than once a week. Once a week should be the most you should do it in my opinion. But you'll get a pamphlet with this. It'll tell you how to use it. If you have any questions too, that I didn't answer, you can contact the company too as well. I think this is a great home machine that actually does what it's supposed to do. I can't tell you that my lines have disappeared from this because I do other things on my skin. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you, yes, this totally got rid of all my lines. I can't tell you that. I really use it for exfoliating my skin, but I mean, you can see I don't have a lot of lines, but I use Retin-A. I use chemical exfoliants. And I use some serums too that I think have been beneficial to that as well. So if I were to sit here and tell you that this machine got rid of those lines, I would be lying to you because I don't know if that did that. But I do know that it helps with the exfoliating of my skin. If you are someone that's sensitive to, like I said, Retin-A, and you don't like but you don't like the granule exfoliants, that I definitely would recommend using this. Like I said, it's going strong. I've had it for almost a year now, and I still enjoy it. I still use it, would still definitely recommend it. So that is it. I really hope that this was helpful and informative. If there's anything else that I didn't talk about, I will answer questions as best that I can. And I'm not a skin expert. I'm just like you at home trying different things out with my skin. I really still do love it as much as I did before. Oh, I know somebody was asking me, because some people use it to remove, I guess, age spots. Some people do it to remove that. I think I have a couple right there. And I really don't use it on there. I guess I should experiment with it, and I haven't. I have a couple little really, I know you're probably like, I can't even see it. I know, they're pretty light, but I do put vitamin C on it, so maybe that's helping. but I don't have a lot of that, so I don't know how it works for that either. I really can't personally tell you that because I don't know. All I know is I use it for getting the dry skin off that's caused from my Retin-A. So it's kind of like just a backup to what I'm using with Retin-A. You don't have to do that. I just do it because otherwise my face gets out of control peely. So there's different things that I do with my skin that works for me. So that is it, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share this video. I know it would be helpful to so many, especially if someone's looking to buy this and they want to know what someone's opinion is. Please share this video. It would really means a lot to me and helps my channel also grow. Also, make sure you click that button below, hit the subscribe button. I share new videos every single week. And leave me a comment below. Let me know, do you use this? Have you thought about using it? Just let me know in the comments below. And that is it. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys real soon. Bye.